Hello, thank you. So like we had a promo going on for like the past couple of months to donate money to the children's hospital. So every time a customer gets through with their transaction, they have a choice on they have a choice to give us cash. So on our register part, we have a part where we can do like where we can take money out of the charity fund and put money into the charity fund. So he
here and donate to charity. Or $5. You know, you get the question when you do a purchase.
Oh yeah.
Cashiers like, hey, you want to donate? People that's saying no or whatever, or they won't even ask them, and then they'll just say they did, and it takes the money out.
Okay.
That's the goal. It's going on.
Okay. Since January 2024?
No, since January 24th, 2025.
Okay, I gotcha.
No, he doesn't.
Is there a back door to this?
Yeah, right there.
You want
We should grab
either
it.
you or nobody goes out the back door.
So like right here, right? So like right here on the second, $20.
Is that your personal phone?
Yeah, just look at it later.
Use my work phone.
So like right here is the day that it started. Right here with the $50. 24, and then it starts going down. So like right here is $60.
You guys haven't talked to him at all, right?
Nope.
Okay. Are you able to make copies of these?
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna make the copies off here, so that way you guys have timestamps and everything.
Yeah. Okay.
You can print them off.
Yeah, I can print them off here.
We can get two for him. Just let him know.
Yep, I can pull it up. It's almost 3 months. Almost 3 months. Yeah, since December, like December.
I'm gonna step outside real quick. I'll be back in.
Yep.
Hold off on any 95s.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's all refunds.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yep.
You can get that. And you totaled it up?
Yeah.
Like almost 8.
Yeah. So it's
What's the phone number here to the store?
because I usually just give everybody my cell phone number.
No, we won't use that. We use this one. Do you have your license or your name on it? I just write it off there. I'm gonna use this phone number. Go for it. Thank you. Thank you. So you're gonna print that off. We got to go to there to get the transactions on video.
Yes,
but that's fine.
video,
That's fine.
yeah.
And then, all right, let me go see what he's doing. My sergeant. I don't know what he's. We want to handle this. I don't want to go to detectives or nothing. We can just do it. He just come to work, or has he been working all day?
He just came.
All right, we'll be right back in if you can let us.
Yeah. He
Brock,
can,
you
stay,
can
he can. No, he can stay there.
Sure. All right.
Take this paper too. This has all of them. This thing is like 7 or 8 off that one. That has all of them.
7 or 8.
Yeah, it's missing like 7 to 8 other transactions.
Oh, I got you. This is all together.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So no, this is just all of them on one page. It's missing.
It's missing
This
a
one's
few.
missing.
This one has all
You
of
can
them.
throw that away. Hey, give us info. Print out.
Oh yeah,
Birth date on it.
Hey, can you give us just a second, man? We're dealing with the manager, so we don't want anybody coming back here. Can you? Thank you so much.
What you want me to do?
Are you working out there or are you working in here?
Both.
Okay. All right. Never mind. I thought you were. Oh, never mind.
60. Oh no. We just went out the back door.
Did you?
Oh no.
That was us?
I'll get somebody to come shut it off.
Alarm in the back door.
You guys kicked out it was bathroom again?
Huh?
Kicked out it was bathroom?
No, that was the other officer.
One of them.
Hey,
Oh, okay.
Hey, Brock, I saw him hightail it to this kitchen, and it took Brock to go through, get up to the back door.
Okay.
But I didn't want him to bust on the door. Does he know that we're going to bring him down?
Not yet. He's still. So.
Okay.
Because they just changed our thing where we using Workday. Yeah.
Let's. Can you stay here and just grab all the information? Let's let him know. So hey, we're gonna scoop him up and take him out.
Okay. Okay.
So what's his first name?
Patrick.
Patrick. What's his last name?
Dunbar.
Dunbar.
No store on it? Nothing? Okay, all right.
Yeah, usually a lot of times it will not on
Brox is the first one.
Huh?
Brox is the first one. Right there.
The first one?
Yep.
Torture squad. We're gonna escort him over there.
Okay, when he made the profile, he didn't put none of his stuff in there.
All right, we'll get it.
Okay.
That's all right, no problem. You don't have to.
Huh?
Yeah, because
He didn't give him any
he didn't put none of the stuff in there when we made these profiles.
Okay, that's fine.
you gotta go to the other store and find
Hey, Patrick. Hey, we got some questions to ask you. You mind coming with us down to the station real quick?
To the station.
Yeah, to our station, just to talk to some of the detectives. So, not saying you did anything or didn't do anything, but you may be aware of something that we're investigating. So we just want to talk to you, okay? Can you come with us?
Can I get my things,
What do you got?
my jacket and stuff?
You can get a jacket, yeah, sure.
We go.
Hey, can I call you? Okay, fine.
You got ID on your partner?
Yeah, I do. I'm trying to figure out what this pertains because I just came back from being off work from them tacos. Bonte.
They'll get all that shit.
Yeah, I'll check you in for it, yeah.
At least Crystal comes in at 8. It's right here.
Just I'm unsure what's going on.
What's up, bud?
I said I'm unsure what's going on.
I know. So, like I said, not saying you did anything or didn't do anything. You might not even be related into what we're wanting to know about.
I know that for sure.
So somebody just said that you might have some information on something that we're investigating, and detectives wanted to talk to you.
Nobody even know me.
I'm sorry?
Nobody even know me.
Nobody
I'm not
knows
from
you?
out here. Yeah, I'm not from
Oh,
out
where are
here.
you from?
Nah.
No? Okay.
So
Well, we'll get it all figured out. Who knows? Might be.
You the store manager?
Yeah, I'm
just
store
store manager. All right. So you know, because there is no charity refund or whatever, right? There's no. There's no. He's taking the detectives to be interviewed. I wanted to do it, but he wants them to do it. And this started on the. Are you sure it didn't start before?
It started in January 11th.
January 11th? Right. 12/16, and it started January 11th. All right, you guys. So I'll get your report number. He gets locked up. You guys are gonna terminate him, obviously.
Yeah, he's terminated. He's getting terminated. Yeah, he's
So
getting
he has no reason to come out.
terminated.
Central 50 Kevin, case number, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, I was gonna say because at first, because I know because when I first noticed it, I didn't go back and look at the ones that had been printed among books, and there was a couple that were. And I'm like, that's why I kept arguing about it. Something weird.
That's your report number right here. Let me see what this guy wants. I'll be out of your hair in a second. DUNBAR, yeah. Patrick Dunbar. No, they're supposed to make a profile on their phone online, and he never did. He just put his name, Patrick Dunbar. No car here or none. He takes the public transportation, supposedly. All right, I'll be in Route 2 down there. Thank you. Bye. All right, you guys. Thank you. I'll let you know if we need anything else, but we shouldn't.
Have a good day.
You too, you guys.
Quick and easy, and then cut you loose, you know? Alright, so you're not going in handcuffs or anything like that, because obviously you're not under arrest right now, okay? Our guys just want to talk to you. But anytime we'll be right over here in this car. But anytime we put somebody in our car, we like to just check and make sure they don't have anything that's going to hurt us. You okay if I search you real quick? Just make sure that you don't have any weapons? Like I said, man, you're not in trouble. I'm
not worried about being in trouble. I have a drink of mine.
A drink? What kind of drink?
It was
Just
like
a pop? That's it?
It's a therapy.
Oh, okay.
Flu.
I got you, man.
I was sick.
How you feeling now?
I'm all right. That's why I came to work.
Good deal. Did you miss a couple of days or no?
I got cigarettes right here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
So, all right, Patrick. So, like I said, you're not under arrest. Detectives just want to talk to you to see if you have information about something that they're investigating, okay?
I don't know what they're investigating. Is it concerning this store?
I'm not sure, but they'll explain it to you once we get going, okay? Here's your seatbelt. I don't know, man. Yeah.